This is the Alliance coin drop for the MD2 series for Speed Queen, Huebsch, or Unimac. This is the kit F200003000P. This comes with your complete kit here. That is the coin drop itself, the coin counter board, the power supply board, and the harness, as well as the optical sensor, which is right here in the back. Now this kit is worth buying if you do need any of this, because the price is about 30 to 40% cheaper if you were to buy all this separately. So right here is a breakdown. So this CCA board here in the top is going to be this one right here, which counts the quarters. The power supply board, F0160411-1, is this one right here. That powers the coin drop. And then the F200115000 is the actual coin drop itself. If you were to buy all of these separately, then it would actually come out to be several $100s more than buying this kit, where you can use these parts in the future. We highly recommend buying this kit to save money if you do have a laundromat and you go through these quite frequently. Again, it is for the MD2 series. It is 120 volt. That is F200003000P.